How to cancel your Spotify Premium. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your application Spotify. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on your library at the bottom right corner and then move ahead to your profile. So the first thing you should know that there is no any direct option where you can cancel the Spotify Premium directly from your application. So what you want to do is simply go back and head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Spotify. Tap on the very first site and make sure you are logged into your Spotify account. Once you have logged into any of the web browser, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and then head over to View Account. Move into Manage Your Plan. Scroll down and if you have the Spotify Premium, over here instead of Join Premium, you'll be able to see the option of Cancel Premium. Right now I don't have the premium version of Spotify, so there is no any option of Cancel Premium. But for you, if you have that option, all you want to do is click on it. And then once again you need to tap on Cancel Premium and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to cancel your Spotify Premium. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.